Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today's video is going to feature some very sexy, very demure hairstyle ideas. Here we have a bob haircut. Looks like she is getting a classic bob hairstyle with this one. Ooh, very chic. It comes to around her jawline with a classic center part down the middle. Very nice. And then we have a longer pixie haircut style. I love the overall shape of this one. So fun. She has a lot of body within the cuts. And of course, she can play around with a lot of different hairstyles with that length. So moving on to the next one, she has some long mid-back length hair. And it looks like she might also be getting a bob. Gorgeous. Now this bob comes to just around the shoulders. Beautifully done. So simple and chic. And then we move into a curly hair transformation. So she has this beautiful curly mid-back length hair. And she switches it up with this curly pixie style. Her natural texture is so beautiful. She can do a lot of wash and goes with this, giving us that messy, chic vibe. Very cute. And for the next style, we have someone who has a bob. She's got a bit of color going there towards the ends. Ooh, oh wow. She gets a beautiful pixie with a pop of color going there in the bangs. That is so cute. I love how the stylist did the color too. Beautiful peekaboo highlights. Very nice. Here we have someone with mid-length hair. And she gets an asymmetrical pixie cut. This one features hair longer on one side versus the other. Frames her face flawlessly. Looks like we have someone going quite short with this next one. Ooh, gorgeous pixie. She's got the bangs going there. So cute. So here we have a layered shoulder length bob style. Ooh, a beautiful bob with the bottleneck style bangs. Very cute. This is like the perfect haircut for the fall. Very trendy. Oh, I love her natural curly texture. Beautiful. So pretty. And we see a lot more women embracing their natural curls. Here we have another layered style with the bangs. She gets a cute bob haircut. Very nice. This one features a lot of body and movement and has that French girl style silhouette. We have another gorgeous curly style. Followed by another gorgeous layered haircut. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to leave the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.